Welcome to this presentation on crude oil and petrochemicals. Let us explore how this natural resource shapes our world today. Crude oil is a dark, thick liquid found deep under the Earth's surface. It is also called petroleum. It was formed from dead plants and animals that were buried millions of years ago. On the other hand, petrochemicals are special chemicals made from crude oil. These chemicals are used to produce everyday products like plastics and detergents. Before crude oil becomes useful, it must first be extracted from the ground and refined into useful products. Now, how is crude oil extracted? Oil rigs or drilling machines pull crude oil out from beneath the earth. The oil is then transported through pipelines or large tankers to refineries. Refining is the process of separating crude oil into different useful parts. This happens at a special facility called a refinery. Refineries use a method called fractional distillation. It separates crude oil into parts based on how hot each part boils. In fractional distillation, first, crude oil is heated to 400 degrees Celsius in a furnace. Then, it is sent into a tall distillation column. Inside the column, lighter gases like petrol rise to the top. Heavier products like diesel stay near the bottom. Some common products of crude oil include petrol, kerosene, diesel, gas, and lubricants. Some of the uses of crude oil include: crude oil gives us petrol for cars, kerosene for cooking and lighting, diesel for heavy vehicles, gas for cooking, and lubricants for machines. Now let's look at some of the uses of petrochemicals. Petrochemicals are used to make substances like plastics, fertilizers, detergents, paints, and even medicines. Now let's test your understanding. Here are 3 multiple-choice questions. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. What is crude oil also called? Is it A, kerosene, B, petroleum, C, lubricant, or D, diesel? Question 2. Which of these is a product of crude oil refining? A, wood, B, paint, C, petrol, or D, plastic? Question 3. Which method is used to separate crude oil into different parts? A, filtration, B, distillation, C, melting, or D, crystallization? Now, try the short answer questions. Question 1. How is crude oil formed? Question 2. Name 3 products made from petrochemicals. Question 3. Mention 2 reasons crude oil is important to Nigeria. Take your time to answer. You can pause the video if you need more time. To recap, crude oil is a natural resource that is extracted and refined. Petrochemicals are made from it and used in everyday products. Crude oil is important for energy, income, jobs, and industry. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.